Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to tell you about 6 websites that will actually help you save money and give you cash back while shopping at some of your favorite stores. And make sure that you guys stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you an example on how you can stack up these savings and discounts. So the first website is befrugal.com. So you would just go to their website, go ahead and click on whichever store that you were going to shop at, and it would take you to that website. And then whatever amount you spent, they'll give you a percentage of that amount back in cash. All the shopping that you normally do, you can actually earn cash back. And you can use it toward gift cards. You can actually get it direct deposited into your account, PayPal. There's so many different ways that you can get your money back. You also have Rakuten. Now, you guys know I love Rakuten, and it's the same thing. It offers you the same cash back. I want you guys to actually sign up for all these websites that I'm mentioning, and I'll leave the links down below, because what I want you to do is actually compare which site has the best cashback offer. For example, the Gap, say if one site might have 5% cashback, another one might have 8% cashback, but the other one might have 10% cashback. That's why it's good to actually go and sign up for all of them so you can actually sit there and get the best bang for your buck. Another site is topcash.com. Same type of cashback rebate website. They're actually offering a $10 bonus sign up. And Be Frugal, their sign up bonus is $15. So right now, Rakuten, you spend $40 within the first 90 days, they will actually give you $40 cash back. So just say if you were going to the Gap and you was gonna spend $40 anyway, you go through Rakuten, you make your purchase, and they'll give you that $40 cash back. And with these bonuses that they're offering, they're actually paying you to do shopping that you was gonna already do. And then you also have another favorite of mine, Ibotta.com. If you guys haven't signed up, link is below. They also have the same type of cashback offers, and they also offer discounts on gift cards. Now with Ibotta, you have 2 ways to earn money. You can go through their website and get your cash back, or you can actually go online and pick the offers that you want, and once you purchase those offers, you can actually scan your receipt and they'll give you cash back that way. Another website that will allow you to actually scan your receipt and get cash back is actually Fetch Rewards. It doesn't matter what you buy. It doesn't matter where the receipt is from. Only thing you do is take a picture of your receipt and they give you points. And you can also have it set up and attached to your email, so they will actually scan your email, and if you have any type of online receipts in your email box that shows that you made a purchase, they will actually give you points for that also. And once you start accumulating your points, you could trade them in for either cash back, or like me, I trade mine in for Amazon gift cards. By the way, all of these sites that I mentioned, they do have apps that you can download on your phone. Now, if you shop a lot on Amazon, I want all of you guys to go to Camel. If you haven't heard of this website, or if you haven't used it yet, this website is amazing for 2 reasons. It only focuses on Amazon products. And what this site does is it will actually send you an email alert on any product that you track when that price drops. Say for instance, I want to buy, say, a watch, and I see the watch, I'll go to Camel, and what I'll do is I'll put in the SKU number, like I'll copy and paste it from Amazon. I'll go over, I'll put it on the website, and then I'll let it know the percentage or the price that I actually want to pay for the product. And then if the price of that product drops, it will actually send me an email alert. Now, another good thing about Camel is that you know how sometimes you sit around and you kind of waiting for a price to drop. Like say if you see something and it's $49.99 and you're like, oh, should I buy it yet? I don't know, should I buy it? You sit there trying to make a decision. So it'll tell you, okay, this is the price that it is today. This is the highest price that it's ever been, and this is the lowest price that it's ever been, and it'll actually give you the date. So that way, if you're sitting around waiting for this item to go down to $20 and you see that it hasn't gone down to $20 over the last year, 9 times out of 10, it's not gonna go down to $20. So it's a great website, guys. It's a must website if you guys shop on Amazon. And for that website and any websites that I mentioned, they're all free. I actually did another video on saving money. I'll link that video down below. And guys, there are so many other cashback sites. There is no reason to shop and not get some of your money back. Leave me a comment down below and tell me some of the websites that you guys use to save money. Okay guys, so here's an example of how you can stack savings and discounts. So what you do is you go to Rakuten. Like say if you're buying something from the Gap, I'm gonna use that example again. So you go to Rakuten and they give you 10% back for the Gap. Then once you're on the Gap's website and you have your items in your cart, you use a coupon, which either the Gap sent you or you found online. And I can do a video about coupons also if you want to know some websites. Leave me a comment down below. But you put in the code or whatever coupon code you got for the Gap. So then you proceed to the checkout as normal. Once you're at the checkout, you pay with a rewards debit or credit card. So that's gonna earn you points as well. Now, once you have your receipt, what I want you to do is actually scan that receipt up to fetch rewards, and they're actually gonna give you points for scanning that receipt. So you got 10% from Rakuten, you got the coupon on the Gap, you got rewards from your credit card, and you got rewards from scanning your receipt to fetch. So guys, we can shop, but just make sure that we shop wisely. But until next time, guys, always remember that knowledge is power. You don't know until you know. Strive to learn one new thing each day.